Good day, parents and learners. The following video is made to help learners record their reading fluency audio. We will record and submit the audio using McGraw-Hill. Please ensure that your device mic settings are correct before you start recording. Let's begin. If we're in the McGraw-Hill and we come to our wonders, we will see there on our to-do list there are items that need to be done. On the list of items, we'll see there it says record reading. We need to then click on the record reading. Once we come to the record reading page, we will see it says that we have to make a recording. We click on make a recording, and the recording tool will then load. The recording tool will be on top, and the book that we need to read will be at the bottom. Before the learners start reading, what they need to do is maybe just get to the passage that they wish to read and get themselves ready. So if we go over to the introduction, they can read from the introduction. So they can start off there. And what they will do then is they will press record. Once they press record, you'll notice that there are bars that show that the mic is picking up sound. Please make sure that the mic that you're using is working and that your recording is picking up the necessary sound. You will then start reading introduction. On July the 20th, 1968, history was made in Chicago, Illinois. 1,000 athletes from 26 states and Canada gathered at Soldier Field. This was to start off a very special sports event. A woman spoke to the athletes, and the small crowd of 100 spectators. The woman told the athletes to say to themselves, "Let me win, but if I cannot win, let me be brave in the attempt." These words would be repeated many times in years to come. Now, the learner who can go along and read through the entire introduction and even read on to chapter 1, I would require that they read at least a chapter for the recording. What they can then do once they've finished off the recording, they can go over to the finish bar and press on that. And in the finish bar, it will say that they can listen to the recording. So they can click on there to listen what they've recorded. And once they've done that, and they feel that they need to listen to it, they can then go, and they're happy with the recording, they can attach it and it will be submitted to me. If they're not happy with the recording, they can go over and redo the recording. So if they go ahead and attach it, they can press it on there and it will attach the recording. And that will be the end of the recording. They can then close up the file because the work is done. That is basically what they need to do to be able to record a fluency reading using McGraw-Hill. If you have any queries, please feel free to send me a message either on Classera via email or on MS Teams chat. Thank you, people. Enjoy.